HBO just dropped a whole teaser trailer for the final season of Game of Thrones today, and if you're a fan, you're gonna be pretty pumped. The minute-and-a-half clip is our longest look yet at the state of affairs in Westeros, and ends with the actual date for the show's return, April 14th. When last we left our heroes in Season 7, power was consolidating in Westeros as all parties geared up for a fight against the White Walkers. Winter is here, and the biggest battle is about to begin. The teaser trailer shows 3 of the Stark children, Jon, Arya, and Sansa, walking inside the family crypt at their family home in Winterfell. As they walk past the statues of their dead parents, we can hear the voices of the late Ned and Catelyn Stark, whispering things they said in seasons past.
This horror that's come to my family, it's all because I couldn't love a motherless child.
I won't spoil too much of it for you, but at the end of the clip, we see an ominous fog approach the trio in the crypt as the frost creeps in. There have been a lot of rumors about the return of beloved characters like Ned Stark in the final season, based on the sightings of Sean Bean at the show's set. These ghostly whispers might add weight to a fan theory that departed characters could be returning from the dead. Anything is possible in the Game of Thrones universe, after all. We're just 4 months away from the show's return now. That's 4 whole months for those of you who haven't seen the show to catch up. You can stream it all on HBO Go. I can't think of a better way to spend these wintry months. We'll see you tomorrow with more Engadget Today.